Clean rooms are used in practically every industry where small particles can adversely affect the manufacturing process. These are used extensively in industries such as semiconductor manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, biotech, medical device, and life sciences, as well as critical process manufacturing common in aerospace, optics, military, and Department of Energy. This video describing basic concept of clean room is first in a 3-lecture series that will encompass knowledge on designing and applications of clean rooms in industry. Manufacturing process may need a more stringent cleanliness class depending upon its unique requirements. One must be careful when assigning cleanliness classifications to each space. There should be no more than 2 orders of magnitude difference in cleanliness classification between connecting spaces. For example, it is not acceptable for a class 100,000 clean room to open into a class 100 clean room, but it is acceptable for a class 100,000 clean room to open into a class 1,000 clean room. Preceding slides flash different types of clean rooms classifications and their applications in industry. This table provides cleanliness classifications for a variety of manufacturing processes. Space cleanliness classification has a substantial impact on a clean room's construction, maintenance, and energy cost. It is important to carefully evaluate reject contamination rates at different cleanliness classifications and regulatory agency requirements, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Typically, the more sensitive the process, the more stringent cleanliness classification should be used. To be able to select a clean room classification, it is important to know the primary clean room classification standard and what the particulate performance requirements are for each cleanliness classification. The Institute of Environmental Science and Technology, IEST. Standard 14644. One provides different cleanliness classifications and allowable number of particles at different particle sizes. This slide provides the allowable airborne particle density per cleanliness classification. Clean rooms classifications for high-tech industry are displayed on screen. Electronics manufacturing facilities, including semiconductor and solar cells manufacturing, has to be essentially carried out in specialized controlled environmental facility. Pharmaceutical and food packaging applications require clean rooms of class 7 and 8. This screen displays ISO classes required for medical applications industry. Type of clean room garments used should reflect the clean room and product specifications. Low-level clean rooms may only require special shoes having completely smooth soles that do not track in dust or dirt. However, shoe bottoms must not create slipping hazards since safety always takes precedence. Clean rooms require training and self-discipline to maintain the desired environment and enable technicians and engineers to work on the space systems and components. The maximum number of people allowed in a large high bay can vary between 30–50 individuals. Grounding straps are also required to be worn around vehicles and components to prevent electrostatic discharge. Next lectures on clean rooms describe easy steps to design clean rooms and how to build clean rooms for industrial applications. Links related to Technology Education and Mentoring Center are flashed on the screen. Thank you for watching.